Sunflower seeds dehulling and separating equipment model 1200 is the patented product belong to THKH Company, and it is independent intellectual property of THKH Company. This equipment is for pre-cleaning impurities from raw materials, dehulling, shells removing, separating, and reseparating your product. The equipment consists of input hopper, spiral elevator, multifunctional cleaner, bucket elevator, dehullers, 3 sets of reseparators, materials backflowing system, and the electric control cabinet. First, sunflower seeds will be put into input hopper, ready for feeding. Then, sunflower seeds lifted up by spiral elevator and then go into multifunctional cleaner where the big impurities, small impurities, light impurities, heavy impurities, and debris with almost same volume and weight properties. After pre-cleaning, sunflower seeds lifted up by bucket elevator will go into twin dehullers for dehulling. After dehulling, the mixture of shells, seeds, and kernels will go into shell seed kernel separator for sorting out shells from the mixtures. And then all the shells will be discharged through cyclone and the screw discharger. After removing shells through the top screen, the mixture of seeds and kernels will go into seed kernel separator to separate the kernels from seeds. The initial kernel separated from seeds will move forward to the first reseparator, and the unhulled seeds will go back to the twin dehullers through bucket elevator for rehulling. And then the mixture of seeds and kernels after initial separating will go into second separator for second time seeds kernel reseparating works. And the unhulled seeds with small amount of kernels will go back to the first unit of materials backflowing system and back to the seed kernel separator elevated by pneumatic suction. And again, the mixture of seeds and kernels after second separating will go into the third reseparator for the third time seed kernels reseparating works. And the unhulled seeds with small amount of kernels will go back to the second unit of materials backflowing system and back to the first seed kernel separator elevated by pneumatic suction. Finally, the mixture of seeds and kernels after second separating works will go into kernels collector. And the unhulled seeds with small amount of kernels will go back to the third unit of materials backflowing system, and then go to the second seed kernel separator for reseparating. Meanwhile, part of broken kernels and kernels powder will be screened out by the broken kernel screen.